Hello everyone, I am Raif Hashash. Today I will show you how to edit a PDF file entirely for free. Let's download a demo PDF file. Let's say download UAE visa. Here I have downloaded some samples of visa. Yani it's only for demonstration purpose. If I double click, I can view the visa, but I cannot type anything on it. Even if I try to type, no, this is only a viewer, and I am opening it in Internet Explorer. But I want to use an application which is for free, that I can edit and I can insert text, and I can insert my signature. And I want it to be for free, not to pay fees, or not to have a watermark written on the application, because it's real. I want an application that is free and I can do my job. I'm gonna open one. I can just right click, open with, choose another application, more apps, Word. Here it will give me a warning that it will convert to PDF file to Word document, and if the file has a lot of pictures, it will not be organized as the way as it was. I'll press OK to proceed. And this is the file that I have downloaded. I can write my name, for example, here. I can write my name here, and I can put some information, and it works perfectly. There's another way that I can open the file in Word. I'll open first Word, then I will drag the file and put it like this. It will give me a warning that I am converting from PDF to Word, and the pictures, if there is a lot of pictures, it will not be organized as it's originally. I will just press OK. If you want, you can press here, don't show this message again. And here I'll for example write my name, if Hashash. I'll maximize it, and here I will insert my address. I don't know, I will just write anything, mobile whatever, 03 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Email is raifhashash at whatever.com. And here in the place that I have to insert my signature, I will just put here insert picture from this default. Where is my signature? And I will insert it. How can I insert my signature? There's several ways. You can picture it from your mobile, and you can transfer it from to this computer either by a USB cable. You can transfer it by Bluetooth. You can share and send it an email, and open your email in this computer and download it. You can send it through WhatsApp application, and open here WhatsApp and download it. The second option, you can have a scanner, and you can scan your signature. But don't forget the most important thing in number 1 and number 2, the first one and second one. Later you have to crop the scan or the pictures that you did, so it will not be, for example, A4. You don't need a full page scan. You just need to crop it and keep it here. You can use an image cropper, you can use Adobe Photoshop or any software that you can download and use the crop. And third way, you can use a Wacom. You can use the Wacom pen and sign and save it as a JPG, and you will insert it here. After I have finished, I will go to File, Export as a PDF, and I will save it either standard or minimum size. If you want to send it an email, I will choose minimum size, so it will not take a lot of size. Then I will press publish. Let me change the name. I will press minimum size, so it will not take a lot of size for the email, because some embassies or some universities or some organizations, there's a limit size. For example, you cannot send a file which is more than a mega. And here, after I fill it, it is saved as PDF file. Another way, if I don't have Microsoft Office, I can search for a online PDF editor. This is one called say Jida. I just need to upload the PDF file. Let me see if I can write. For example, this is only a sample, and here images, for example, image, new image, and I can insert my signature. Once I have finished, I'll press apply changes. And I will download it. Another way, I'll go to Library Office and I will download Library Office. Download now. Once downloaded is complete, I will open Library Office. Then I will go to drawing, and I will drag, and then I will fill it with insert for my signature. Text box is where I want to fill it here. Then when I am done, I will do export PDF, and it's all ready. Hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.